Hi, I am Backpacker Traveler, and in this series of Goa, I am going to cover Malvan, Vengurla, Sawantwadi, and Kudal. Also, I will be explaining how you can travel on a budget to these beachside places, travel bookings, and local travel. Coming up. So this was the Tejas train which I had boarded from CST at 5:50 in the morning, and I will just explain you how you can do the booking from IRCTC. You need to log into the website called IRCTC and you need to put in the details like I will be boarding the train from Shivaji Chhatrapati's terminus, which is CST, and to Kudal. Once you put in the details, these you will get these classifications like Tejas Express. This is the train Tejas Express which starts from 5:50 in the morning and which will reach Kudal at 12:38. These train tickets prices will be 1000. So this is the train ambience from inside, and the whole journey we need to do is via sitting. There is no sleeper class here. So and the light is also good, and we have monitors in front of our chairs. Every person is allocated one monitor wherein we can listen to music and watch some movies. You can surpass your time by looking outside. The whole view will be full of greenery. This was the monitors which I was talking about, and I had purchased some earphones in the train which costed me around 20 rupees. And this is the monitor screen in front of us wherein we can watch the movies. Also there is live TV and GPS. And this was the earphones which I purchased in the train for 20 bucks. In movies section we have two options, one is Hollywood and Bollywood. In Hollywood section there was only 2-3 movies, not much option to choose from. In Bollywood movies we had some options. We had around 8 to 10 movies, but that were also old, that were not much new. I watched 1 or 2 movies and then I went to sleep. Last but not the least, toilets. The toilets in Tejas train were pretty clean and I was impressed with the quality they have provided to the Indian customers. There was a proper hand wash which was kept, and the flush and everything was working fine. And on top of that, every people maintained this very well, and the support from railways was also good. Finally, I was very hungry and the halt was at Chiplun station wherein I ate some Vada pav which costed me around 20 bucks and a tea of 10 rupees. The break was for around 10 minutes and I stretched a little bit and relaxed. coming up in next videos, I will show you I got down at Kudal station and how I choose a transport from where I need to reach the Kudal bus station. So the transport which I chose from Kudal station to Kudal bus station, downtown city you can say, and also we had some snacks. So the journey continues from Kudal to Sawantwadi to Vengurla to Malvan. So be tuned to my channel and subscribe my channel. If you like my content in the video, please do like my videos and share it with your friends. Also great warm welcome to all those who are watching my videos for the first time.